Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting Easy Mode and loading your save. This immediately lowers enemy speed and gives you more reaction time. Once done, you should move to the nearest visible rooms and collect the flashlight, nails, and wrench because they enable basic defense and tool combos. Make sure to note 2 reliable hiding spots, wardrobe and under bed, so you can bail quickly when Granny approaches. This initial tempo gives you breathing room and sets up every later move with safer options. You now focus on collecting puzzle-critical items and layering actions. Gather key pieces, fuse, gas can, and crowbar while keeping a clear route to exits. Once you have a few objects, use sound to bait Granny into predictable patterns, throw a bottle or open one door, then sneak past another, because predictable movement makes puzzles safer. Make sure to combine tools where needed, such as attaching a wrench to a bolt or fueling a generator, so you gradually unlock final objectives without unnecessary backtracking. You finish by assembling remaining components and executing the escape sequence, unlock the car or main door, start the engine, and get clear of the house. Once done, double-check all escape routes and make sure the engine area is free of traps. If you get cornered, use a wardrobe or underbed hide and throw an object to reset Granny's path because that pause buys you time. If something breaks or you become irreversibly stuck, reload a recent save and slow your baits to reduce detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.